If you love Doritos Sweet Chili Heat tortilla chips, you'll love our Doritos Popcorn Chicken. Each bite-sized piece is only 16 calories. I've gathered everything I'll need to make my Doritos Popcorn Chicken. Doritos Sweet Chili Heat tortilla chips, a lemon, salt and pepper, a food processor, a wire rack and baking tray, cutting board, knife and kitchen spoons, and 1 pound of chicken breast. People have been asking how we calculate our calorie counts. Many of the products we love have a nutrition label. Here's the nutrition label information for this package of Doritos. For 21 chips or 50 grams of tortilla chips, you'll be consuming 250 calories, 13 grams of fat, 32 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, and 3 grams of protein. But we don't stop there. We also like to verify the accuracy of the nutrition label info by weighing the food as well. While testing this Doritos Popcorn Chicken recipe, I wanted to see if 21 Doritos actually weighed 50 grams. They did. This recipe requires 100 grams of Sweet Chili Heat Doritos or 42 whole tortilla chips. Since this bag has some broken tortilla chips, I'll be weighing them for accuracy. If you don't have a scale at home, you can measure the tortilla chips by counting 42 whole tortilla chips or by cup measure. This amount of tortilla chips fills a 4-cup measure. Once the food processor is activated, the tortilla chips become crumbs almost instantly. I'll let them spin for about 10 seconds to make sure they're evenly crumbly before transferring them back to the collection bowl. One pound of boneless and skinless chicken breast is next. I'll give the chicken a rough chop. Size and uniformity are not important. This chicken is transferred to the food processor. The cut chicken pieces will process more easily than whole uncut chicken. I need 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Generally, half a lemon will yield this amount of juice. If you don't have a juicer like this one, you can use the back of a tablespoon pressed into the pulp to yield the juice. I really like this juicer because it twists, collects, and measures the juice. Lemon juice is the acidic component for many of my recipes, providing a subtle pop of flavor enhancement. I'm pouring the lemon juice slowly and watching for lemon seeds. Pouring the juice through a small wire mesh strainer first would prevent any seeds from escaping my notice, but this method saves washing another kitchen utensil. I see a lemon seed, I'll remove it. Half teaspoon of salt is next. I'll eyeball the salt and sprinkle it in. Half teaspoon of spicy pepper is last. Processing for about 1 minute is all it takes to turn these 4 ingredients into a soft, scoopable mixture. Before I turn this puree into popcorn chicken, I'll preheat my oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This recipe makes 4 servings of 16 Doritos popcorn chicken. Popcorn chicken is bite-sized. Using a regular kitchen teaspoon, I'm scooping a rounded half teaspoon weighing about 7 to 8 grams each. I could weigh each one for complete accuracy, but that would be tedious. If you've scooped uniformly, you'll have 64 popcorn chicken. I'll spoon 5 half teaspoons at a time into my Doritos crumbs, then transfer all 5 to my wire rack placed over a baking tray. You can bake these directly on your baking tray, but they bake quickly and evenly with this method. Another 5. Coat them with Doritos crumbs. Line them up, repeat. Another 5. Coat them and line them up. I'm making space on my wire rack for 5 rows of 11 popcorn chicken. and a 6th row of 9 for a total of 64 Doritos crumb-coated popcorn chicken. There's even a few crumbs left over. I'm popping this tray into my 450 Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, they're ready to eat. Fun, bite-sized chicken smothered in sweet chili heat Doritos flavor. Delicious! How many can you eat for under 300 calories? I'll fill this cup with 1 serving size. This recipe makes 64 popcorn chicken. A family of 4 can share 16 each for 256 calories per serving. But at 16 calories each, you can have 2 more. 18 Doritos popcorn chicken for 288 calories. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.